Good night, my name is Geraldine Moscoso. Our history. Grupo Gypsy SAS is a medium-sized company that was founded on September 3, 2012, with the aim of distributing personal and healthcare products. At the beginning of 2013, the shareholders of Grupo Gypsy learned about the hydrate fruit and saw a good business opportunity there, launching the Colfrutivos brand. By that time, Marcela Aristizabal, the company manager, was beginning to open up the market with hair treatment, which came about as a result an investigation carried out after an accident that caused her the loss of the hair strands. Thanks to the effectiveness of the product, Marcela Aristizábal's name became viral not only for her life but also for her treatment. It was at this moment that Marcela decided to join forces with her partners and husband Jonathan Calle to turn this treatment into the brand Fruto Salvaje. After giving an imagine and deedly to Fruto Salvaje, Grupo Gypsy, headed by Marcela Aristizábal, began an investigation to develop products with natural extracts, leaving as a result several products that complement the treatment such as Fruto Salvaje, brand shampoos elaborated for each type of hair, Oleo Sublime, and only with argan, mamey, jojoba, and copaiba, four of the best essential oils in the market, and powdered food composed of collagen, biotin, and aloe vera called fruit of the mountain. At present, Grupo Gypsy is recognized with in the market, considering Fruto Salvaje in the number one brand its products based on natural extracts and a pioneer in providing women with new alternatives to care for and preserve their hair. Grupo Gypsy SAS is a medium-sized company with social responsibility that provides employment opportunities mainly to people of over 40 years old and mothers who are at head of families. Mission: we are a commerciality company focusing on developing and manufacturing products for personal care, beauty, and health, using optimal technology with social and environmental responsibility, which provides our customer with healthy and natural alternatives. Promoting awareness is personal care and healthy. Vision: in the years 2035, Grupo Gypsy SAS will be recognized nationally and internationally as a leading company in manufactured products for the care and health of people, society, and environmentally committed. From is the ideology of awareness and care will promote health styles, placing harmony, body, and spirit in union with modern natural towards a full life. The project. This project has been developed since the planning class, and different marketing strategies have been established and implemented. such as market segmentation, distribution strategies, exhibition strategies, among others. In this time, COVID has implemented different services which allowed us to reach place in Colombia through the distribution of different channels in order to expand our target market. In target market, advertising strategies have been of great importance as they have allowed us to communicate the supply of our products in the right way. We were able to identify through the DOFA metrics the weaknesses, strengths, threats, and opportunities for the training projects, as well as to identify the problem through the problem tree, to note its causes and effects, and thus be able to establish an action plan to overcome the problem. The creation of new products or services is essential for the growth of the brand. Sketches were made in order to obtain the appropriate prototypes for our products. Pricing strategy and budgeting business strategy required for the fulfillment of the objectives.